Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Amy if you're new, and today's video is going to be a decorate and clean with me video. So I'm going to be cleaning my master bedroom and then decorating for Christmas. Originally I'd planned on doing a lot more than just my master bedroom, but Gracie June is at home sick with me today. She has a little earache, so I'm actually leaving in about an hour to go take her to the doctor to see what that's about, make sure she doesn't have an ear infection or need any medicine or anything like that. So I don't have as much time as I hoped for, but I hope this video encourages you guys to get some cleaning done and gives you a little bit of inspiration for some decorating ideas for Christmas. Also, this video is a collaboration with a few other girls here on YouTube, and they're going to be cleaning and decorating as well. So I know that you guys will love their channels, and I'm going to introduce you to all of them in just a second. I'm going to pop all their channels up on the screen for you to see. But like I said, they're going to be decorating and cleaning as well, and they're not necessarily going to do their master bedroom. They're doing whatever part of the house they've decided to do for their videos. Alright, so these are all the girls that are participating. We have Mama Approved, Lauren Midgley, the Bueno Bunch, and the Jackson Hive. And if you are coming over from any of the other girls' channels or happen to stumble across my channel for some reason, I hope that you will love my channel and my content that I share here. I do lots of lifestyle related videos and cleaning and vlogs and all kinds of different stuff. So if you do enjoy it, please consider subscribing, and also tell me hey in the comments. Let me know something about yourself. I love getting to know you guys, and I try to respond to every single comment that I can, just so I can get to know you like you guys get to know me. Also, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you get the chance, because it helps me out and it lets me know that you like videos like this. Alright, so I'm going to clean first and then we're going to decorate. Today's video is also sponsored by Victsing, so I want to go ahead and thank them for sponsoring this video. They sent me a Bluetooth speaker as well as a new diffuser. I already have one from them and I've shown you guys in a previous video, but they also sent me a set of two essential oils that are very popular, the lavender and the peppermint. So I thought I would go ahead and get my diffuser started and use the peppermint to kind of get the smell of Christmas going, and then I also wanted to use my Bluetooth speaker to get some music going, and I ended up putting some Christmas music on there as well. But before I did that, I went ahead and pulled the dresser out because this is where I wanted to put my diffuser, and I wiped down the baseboards here before I set that all up. I really love this little diffuser. I went ahead and put some water in here, and then I put the peppermint essential oils in. I put about 10 drops. I wanted it to be very pepperminty, so I did that, and then put the little top on, and then you have the option of setting the timer and doing a sleep mode as well. So I love the fact that it does all the different colors, so it'll kind of go through all the different colors for you, and it just works so good in your bedroom. Next, I wanted to set up my Bluetooth speaker right here on our dresser, so I pulled that out too because I wanted to make sure I got all of the dog hair and the baseboards cleaned off as well here before I plugged it in. So this little Bluetooth speaker was so easy to set up. I just went to the Bluetooth mode on my phone, connected it to my Bluetooth speaker, and then I just played Pandora music and turned it to a Christmas station, which I love, and it gets really loud. It was perfect for cleaning. It was the night. So I'm going to have links below to both the diffuser and the Bluetooth speaker in case you guys are interested in checking them out, and I'll have a discount code as well. Alright, so now that I have some Christmas music blaring and the smell of Christmas going throughout the house, I decided to go ahead and get started with the rest of my cleaning. And obviously here I'm just making up my bed, and then after I make up my bed, I always use my Hurricane Fur Pet Wizard, and people ask me about it all the time. It's just a little gadget that I got off of Amazon, and I do have it linked in my Amazon favorites down below, but it's just a little gadget that I got over a year ago, and it gets the pet fur off of any fabric or anything that you want, and I actually loved it so much that I bought one for my mother-in-law and my sister-in-law because they both have several dogs, and I use this thing all the time. From this Christmas on, it's gonna be you. Now I'm moving on to cleaning our windows and shutters, and here I'm just going to use my Dyson V7, and I just used the little handheld attachment here to vacuum out any dust or bugs, because I did have a few bugs off the windowsill, and then I'm also going to be dusting down those shutters.
We forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door, we talked for hours on end, and somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now on.
Now I'm using the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner, and I'm just going to clean off the windows.
Christmas on, Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me.
Now I'm moving on to the baseboards in this area of the room, and I always vacuum it down first, and then I'll use a microfiber cloth and spray the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray onto the cloth and then wipe it down. And I'm actually using the peppermint scent here as well, and this is one of the holiday scents from Mrs. Meyer's, and I do have a link below where if you've never used Grove Collaborative before and you want to try them out, you can get a free Mrs. Meyer's gift set. And they have 3 different holiday scents, but hopefully there are still some in stock. I know that they go fast, so you might want to check those out as soon as possible if you're interested. And then I always dust down my lampshades with this lint roller, and then I'm also going to wipe down my bedside tables with the multi-surface spray as well.
It's Christmas on, from this Christmas on. Sleigh bells are ringing out by the sea, sending a message of love and sympathy. I've been waiting by the phone, and this song will meet you at the door. This Christmas will be something unreal.
Now I'm going to clean off my mirror with the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner as well, and then I'll dust down the baseboards over here.
Charm, all I ever wanted, got you wrapped up in my arms, and we'll stay up all night, and the fireside is blazing bright. This Christmas will be something unreal.
Now we're going to move on to the decorating part of the video, and I'm just using some pillows that I bought a few years ago. I think I got the big red ones at Walmart, and the other two I think I got at the dollar spot in Target a few years ago. I don't really remember. But I looked for some new pillows this year and I haven't found any yet, so I still need to go to Home Goods. I know they always have tons of Christmas pillows, so I'll probably be changing these out, but for right now this will do. And then I got this little blanket from Walmart. I think it was only like $7, $6 or $7, something like that. So I thought it was a really good deal, and it is super soft. And then this little tray here I got in the Target dollar spot. I showed you guys in my Target shop with me and haul. So I'm going to put this right here, and then I'm going to start putting some different items inside of the tray. Alright, so all of the items that I'm actually putting in here are all also from the Target dollar spot. So definitely go check out that last video that I posted, and you can see all the goodies and even more things that I didn't even buy. But I really liked how this tray looked, and I figured it'd be easy to put up on my dresser if I needed to, and that would be Christmassy. And then, of course, you see people put them on their beds all the time. And then here I'm putting another one of those little trees that I got from the Target dollar spot, along with one of my Grove Collaborative candles, just up there on top of my dresser. I wanted to keep everything super simple in here in my room, just because I didn't want to have a ton of decorations. Nobody comes in here except for us usually, so I just wanted to keep it simple. And the last little thing that we're going to add is a new bed for Cooper. I got a new bed, and honestly, I'm not sure if we're going to keep it because it does kind of slide around. We really need a rug in this room, but it is super cute for Christmas, so we will see.
We can do this Christmas.
So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and seeing how I decorated for Christmas. And like I said, I'm probably going to end up getting some new pillows, so I will update you here on my channel when I do, so that you can see. I'm probably going to get some buffalo check pillows because that's what I've been looking for. But if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. And go check out all of my friends in the description box below and watch all of their videos. And I want to say thank you again to Victsing for sponsoring this video, because I absolutely loved decorating with my peppermint scented diffuser and then all of my Christmas music on my Bluetooth speaker. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!